over to Canva. If you have free Canva, no problem. We'll move to video. Click on video. You have it open. You decide if you want to do landscape or portrait, like real and all that. So on this tutorial, I'll be doing landscape. We'll click on landscape. This interface will come up, okay, where you start working on your video. You head down left to application. Click on application. Okay, you come over to search Canva application up here. Click on search Canva application up here and type map video. Okay, click on map video. We'll be working with this amazing one up here that says map video. Look at it here. You have it open. Okay, head over to this. You have option to do 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. On this tutorial, I'll be working with 5 seconds. All right, click on 5 seconds. You have the options to select the plain icon you want to use. Okay, I want to use this middle one. Okay, click on it and you have the option to pick first country, country 1 and country 2. Literally means where you are taking off from. Okay, I'll be selecting my first country. I want my first country to be, guess my first country. Okay, you can get that on the comment section. All right, one thing here, you can't select by alphabets. You have to select by, okay, my first country is United States of America. Okay, and destination country, I will pick my destination country should be United Kingdom. Okay, for this tutorial. And here you leave the add flag. Okay, it gives it this cool vibe. The country you are taking off from and your destination country, you see the flag. It makes good sense. And add text, toggle this text on and you click on create video. Give it few seconds. Your video will be ready in few seconds. It doesn't end there. There's how to work on this, so don't skip any part of this tutorial so you don't get it twisted along the line. Okay, when your video is generating and it's ready, give it few seconds. It will come up. After it comes up, what you need to do right now is to click on add to design. Very important. Okay, add to design. It will come over this place. Good. So right here we have it here. You have to drag it up to the edge. Okay, to expand it for full preview. Okay, expand it here. You come here, you drag this down here. Okay, this is down here. Okay, remember our destination is United Kingdom, so let's go start over. Okay, let's start over another one. Leave it at 5 seconds. Allow the plane to be there, the plane icon. So your takeoff country, the second destination. This goes well for vlogging, and you are giving a voiceover about your vacation, summer vacation voiceover vlog. It goes well. So remember, your previous country you landed was United Kingdom. So right now you'll be taking off from United Kingdom for the second scene. Okay, you are taking off from United Kingdom and maybe you want to visit any other amazing country. Okay, you might want to visit Belgium. Okay, maybe you want to go to Belgium this time, you know, with family vacation and all that. You click on create video. Few seconds as well, your video will be ready. Remember, this is easy peasy. You don't pay anyone for this. This one is not like most of this AI that will tell you it has limits, you can get copyright and all that. This is absolutely 100% free animations right here. So over here we'll add to design. So this is the same pattern. If you have other country where you want to add up, you can do the same thing. So I'll add it up here and let's have it. So you can play and watch it show you. So you can come up here when you are done on the countries, how many countries you want to work with. You come here and click on audio, add audio. It doesn't come with audio. Right here you have the option to add music and SFX. You upload your own audio, you record voiceover, AI voice. So on this, I'll just be using this first option right here, which you can actually describe your ideal elements. Okay, but here I'll be selecting the one right here. Okay, recently used. This is one I recently used. So if you have anyone you want to use, you can play it first and see how it sounds. This is very okay for me. So what I will do, I will click on it. It will load automatically. So let's head to our preview and preview our work. Okay, give it a few seconds to load. You see, this is awesome. I can replay this again. You see, from the first country, our first destination, let's say I'm our first from America to UK, from United Kingdom to Belgium. Okay, so this is absolutely easy peasy for you to achieve. Once you are done adding the countries you want to add for your voiceover and all that, you come over to share. Okay, on share you will have this interface that will pop up here. You can download to your device. Okay, if you want to save, you have option to save on 480p, 720p and 1080p. You click on download, it will download absolutely free. This is free version of Canva that I am using here. Everything was done right on this application. I didn't go elsewhere to do this. So it's downloading right now. You can see down there it's downloading right now. So you give it a few seconds to download and you will have it on your mobile device or your desktop. Anyone you are using, you can use mobile device, you can use desktop, laptop to achieve this. It's ready. So we'll save it as our vacation vlog. Okay, voila, it's ready to use. So if you like my type of videos, feel free to watch the two videos down here. Comment on this channel, tell me the next tutorial you want me to carry out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on bell notification so you don't miss out on my next video. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.